Peter, Sam, I want you to go and help Rusty clear the storm damage.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you say so.
Now let's get to work! Tally-ho!
Gorge, this place is messier than my sock drawer, but it smells better.
Driver said this shed is useless now. It's not a shed. It's an old railway coach.
That's it!
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yes, great idea. That's a genius idea. Who thought of that one?
Peter Sam thinks this old coach could be a tea room.
I'll have Jem take a look. I'm sure he can repair it.
Oh, it's beautiful. I told you it'd be a piece of cake.
And with many cakes in it, I'm sure. And you shall pull the tea shop special.
I'd be proud to.
Goody, 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 goody. Mouse in. Oh, this is so exciting.
I told you it would be a piece of cake.